Hi guys! So I am hiding away in my bedroom tonight to do this unboxing for you because I don't want to run out of time with my Stitch Fix, and I really wanted to show this one to you guys. I'm so excited. Tina sent me some stuff for a convention and I'm excited to get it open, but I have a little guy that has been feeling yucky, so he is actually in the living room right now watching Fireman Sam, and this was the only quiet place in the house that I could come to do this. So we've got our lovely Stitch Fix box I'm super excited about, and it is kind of small this time, so I've actually gotten some of my favorite things out of there. And actually, this is funny, you can't really see too much, but this is the duster sweater that came in my last Stitch Fix, and I am completely in love with this thing. I wear it all the time. All the time. Not even kidding. All the time. And it makes me sad when I have to wash it, because then I know I have to lay it flat and let it dry for a couple days before it'll be dry enough to wear again. It's very sad. So yeah, my first duster cardigan, because there's no way I'm not going to have a lot more. So here is my return envelope, and that is easy peasy returns on these. And let's see here, we can pull out my, oh hello, yes, it's fun how they give you those. And then I'll set my scissors down over here. Let's see, so oh, that's not bad at all. She really got this one under budget. That's exciting. So we'll see what we've got here. Ooh, I'm so excited. Yes, so we are looking here, and Tina always sends me the sweetest notes. So her suggestions here, she saw the 9 Britain Touquet tank and thought I would like wearing it with the pants that I mentioned. I have a couple different colors of pants. It's really funny. All the ones that I really love, they're from Stitch Fix. Some are Liverpool, some are Level 99. Those are pretty common Stitch Fix brands, or they were. Some of these, the Liverpool pants that I've had, they're black, and they came in my first or second fix, I think. And I wear them a lot, but they are still like new, and that was 3 years ago now, maybe. So while they were a lot more than what I normally pay for pants, they have completely held up, and that's another reason that I really like the quality of the stuff that Stitch Fix sends. So she said I could try this one with any of the pants and give my outfit a classic finish with the Kinsey Rebecca blush colored blazer and some berry jewelry earrings. I'm very excited to see those. And she says she wanted to stretch my style since I don't usually wear animal print, but she thinks I'm going to love the subtle modern print and classic but modern silhouette of the navy current air canvas blouse. It's going to be interesting to see what this has on it. So she says it'll be great with my mustard pants. I did ask for like a navy colored blouse to wear. I got some new mustard pants, really stepping out of my comfort zone, but I find that I can do that a little bit more after 3 years of letting Tina kind of push me a little bit further than what I normally go for fashion. And then she also sent a Mauvette Middleton dress. Oh, Middleton, it has to look, ooh, it does. Kind of looks like something Kate would wear. It's fantastic. And then add the blush blazer for a gorgeous outfit. Enjoy your fix. Awesome. And let's open up the tissue now and see what's in there. So, you know, I might actually be able to do this animal print. Who knew, right? Oops, sorry, I bumped you there. I'm limited on space in here. So we have, can you see this? I don't know, yeah, so you guys can see it's got sort of a subtle leopard print on it, and it's fun. So the sleeves have these little ruffle details and the little ties, and then it's even got a cute little bow tie here on the back of it. I'm wondering if maybe that's supposed to be tied around your neck when it's on. Super cute. I can't wait to try this on, and I will definitely be trying on with my mustard pants and seeing what it looks like. And it's really soft, you guys. You can't like tell. It's not like stretchy, scratchy. Sometimes blousy fabric is like that, and this is not that way at all. So I'm going to sit this over there. And then okay, so I like these better than Tiffany's boxes. I know, I'm weird, but a Stitch Fix jewelry box, it's awesome. And here are these. I asked for some earrings to go with everything. Now, I don't actually have a lot of silver jewelry. Not because I don't wear it. I just don't have a lot. I mix silver and gold. I'm not sure if it's still okay to do that or not. Somebody pop in the comments and let me know if it's okay to mix the two. But these are really pretty. I'm not sure what kind of stone they are. I don't think I saw that on there. I'm gonna have to look. They're really pretty. It says semi-precious, but it kind of looks like maybe like a sort of gray. I'm trying to get it to focus for you there. Maybe. Come on, try. It's not gonna do it. So it's kind of like this gray smoky color. Really pretty, but those are gonna be fun. Little dangles. I like dangles. So we'll put that over here as well. And now here is this floral tank. Oh, that's really pretty, guys. So this has poppies on it. Poppies are really special flowers to me. Some of you may have children that are also considered poppies, but I love anything with poppies on it, and I'm really excited to try this out. It's really pretty. And here's the dress. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is so classic. Look at the scallop detail on the neckline. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's got a nice weight to it, so it's not one of those that's gonna like show everything. Wow, that's really pretty. I really like that navy color too. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, and here's this blush blazer. So I have to tell you guys that I have a blush blazer I've had for a really long time, and it looks really bad because I've had it for so long, and I just had not been able to bring myself to get rid of it because a girl needs a blush blazer. It's just something that a girl needs. And now I have a new one, and this one's actually wearable in public. That's terrible, isn't it? Does anybody else hold on to their clothes forever past like their expiration point where they really should have gone in either a Goodwill box or a quilting box by this point? So this, can you guys see? It's a really pretty soft blush color, and it's got a really nice cut to it. And let me see here. Oh, it's fake pockets. The one I've got has fake pockets too, but I prefer real pockets because I'm forever looking for something to do with my hands so that I don't use them so much when I'm talking. But yeah, so this is really pretty. I'm very excited. I will be sure to pop in some try-on pictures this time because I did not do that last time, and I've had several people email me and ask for those. But this is actually for some conventions that I hope I see some of you guys at, the Southeast Homeschool Expo in July in Atlanta. So if you guys are coming to any of those homeschool conventions, be sure to look me up and say hi. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.